This is a set of stickers in the shape of animals. There are 5 animal stickers in this set. Let's start shaping these animals. Dinosaur. This is the dinosaur. Dinosaur mouth. Dinosaur glasses. Dinosaur egg. Heart. Heart. Sift. Sift. Dinosaur. This is the dinosaur. Panda bear. This is a panda bear. Panda bear mouth. Panda bear nose. Panda bear eyes. Panda bear eyes. Panda bear mouth. Panda bear hat. Panda bear glasses. Panda bear. This is a panda bear. Dinosaur. This is the dinosaur. Dinosaur eyes. Dinosaur mouth. Dinosaur eyes. Dinosaur eyes. Dinosaur mouth. Headphones. Dinosaur glasses. Dinosaur. This is the dinosaur. Cat. This is a cat. The cat's eyes, nose and mouth. The cat eats the fish. Cat hat. Cat. This is a cat. Cow. This is a cow. Cow's mouth and nose. Cow eyes. Cow eyes. Cow glasses. Flowers. Cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is the dinosaur. This is a panda bear. This is a cat. This is the dinosaur.